Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to break your Windows update. Why sometimes you need to shut down Windows updates or you just prefer to do that. Actually some network issues, some system issues, and sometimes Windows updates can be terrible for your new version of Windows. So sometimes you want to break for certain moments or certain time or period to get that done. Just it is easy, go here, then type settings, then go for Windows Update here, the left one, the last one. Then here guys, it is popping as post updates, and you will you want to pause it or something. Like here, you want to maximum for 5 weeks. It's more than enough to they detect there is an update or issues, and then they will back it up with a new one. So here you go guys, how to break or to pause updates on Windows updates. Hope you like the video, like, share and subscribe.